Welcome to the Texas Home Buying Guide with Manuel Sandoval, your Texican Realtor. If you're considering buying a home in the great state of Texas, this video will guide you through the essential steps. Let's dive in. First, figure out how much home you can afford. Consider your income, expenses, and the down payment. Getting pre-approved from a mortgage lender is a great first step. And we can help. We're here to guide you through the process, find properties that fit your criteria, and negotiate on your behalf. Together, we'll explore homes online and schedule visits. I'll help you understand the local market and find the perfect fit for your needs. Found your dream home? I'll assist you in crafting a competitive offer based on comparable homes in the area. A professional home inspection is vital, and I'll ensure that any potential issues are addressed, leading to renegotiations or repairs if needed. We'll help you work with your lender to finalize the mortgage, making sure all the details are taken care of. At closing, we'll sign all the necessary paperwork, and you'll receive the keys to your new home. Congratulations, you're now a Texas homeowner with the help of your Texican Realtor. Manuel Sandoval, your Texican Realtor for Ebby Halliday, is here to assist you on your home buying journey in Texas. Feel free to reach out with any questions, and let him help you find your dream home together.